Hello everyone. It's my first jewelry repair project. And I don't remember exactly where I got it. But the top part is missing. And when I got it, the bottom part had two stones that were set, one that was lost, and one that was just loose in the bag. So I'm going to ask for some advice. I got some ideas today, and thanks to Cindy and Roberta, I sold a few items the other night, which meant I had money in my PayPal, and so I scored not big today, but I found 3 necklaces that are on the same design, and so I'm going to try to put a video together with some pictures, and the pictures are going to be part of my unlisted auction. And if you email me at thelittlemuddyfarm@gmail.com, even though I already know who you are, if you'll send me that you're interested in the unlisted video, you'll have first choice on the items that I'll be showing. And if you have any ideas on how to do this, fix the top, I think what I'll have to do is remove these 2 pieces of chain. This is all sterling silver, and when you look at it really close, it's really been loved, vintage sterling silver, and by the mistakes in it I can tell that it was handmade. And with that, I'm going to do an end to the video, and then we'll see if I can use Movie Maker and add some pictures. After all, what else are you going to do when it's not snowing, but we have a thin layer of ice, and it seems to be growing, and I'm supposed to go to the store. Guess I'll be staying home tomorrow. Alright, let's add some photos.